that seat is now my nightmare. And it's evenly positioned over the bolt, so I can't get it out. The plan is gonna be to just power up the seat. Like, why not? All right, we're gonna need, oh, you guys ready for the mess? Yeah, whatever. Makes my editing easy. You can just fill it with this nonsense. Scary stuff. Yeah, sure. There's pods still in there. That was the Let's go this way. We need wiring. Okay. Yeah, if you haven't seen mess on the head of the heads, yeah, it's all brakes and clutch stuff. You get fast tour suspension. All right, anyway, we're out of here. I'm making my own clips. They're my favorite little tools. They're from Saco, Maine, dude. Yeah, I got no idea what's going on. I tried 2 batteries. Something's not right. There's no way that powers this entire mess. There's just no way. Look at this switch. You're telling me that like BMW just gave like raw power to the seat and then just let it do its own thing? Yep, nope. The hell is this? What is in here? There's like something the size of a laptop under the seat. That's like the first of the memory seats. So they couldn't power a V12 with 1 computer and 2 fuel lines. They'd use 4 on either side of the car. But they could remember all the different positions of all the different switches and all the different seat stuff, including up and down. What the fuck? I'm cutting you out. I'm cutting you out. I'm cutting you out. Time for a recap. I've seen the shows on TV. That's what they do. Okay, so first we did this, then we did that, and then we're gonna show you how we did this and did that. We're gonna talk to you about how we did this and did that, and then we're gonna show you how we did this and that before we move on to the next this and that. So we're doing that right now. All right, let's cut this thing out. All right, but look how nice these are. They're not quite exactly the same, but they're gonna be close enough. In the back of the car here, we're gonna take this little dolly. Ready for the shims. With. I know, that's all I have. It's like leftover marble. So I'm using it to shim the gas tank. Plans to let the air out of the tires. Whole assembly is just gonna roll forward to fill that gap. All right, let's cut the other side out. Let's go do this. Hot out here. Yeah, I was getting like cut off really gross in there. Okay, 2 more straight cuts through regular sheet metal, like a foot each, and that car's in half. The front's supported by 2 jack stands on the trans brace, and then the back is the rear tires and a dolly. Separate the car and slide the car together and weld it all back together. Oh, before I do that, I gotta cut the tails out of the rear seat. Remember I cut horizontally out of the trunk? I gotta cut 20 inches out of that too. Let's go do that now, I guess. Yeah. It's a nice day out too. Should be drinking margaritas, sitting in the sun, going on a road trip. Nope. Cutting B-pillars out of cars, filming it with cardboard stands. Yes. But look, you starting to see what's going on here now? Look how cool the Super Coupe is. Short wheelbase Super Coupe. Short wheelbase Super Coupe. It's a car BMW never built, but they always wanted to. I don't think anyone wanted this car. No, I don't think anyone wanted this car. But it's gonna be cool when you see it. It's